Welcome back to Get Fit with Wit. Today we're doing an unboxing video. It's a beautiful day to be alive. I almost forgot to tell you that. Don't forget it. It's a beautiful day to be alive. As you're well aware, I'm excited. Hey, it's a beautiful day. Today we're doing a FabFitFun unboxing. Oh! It's already springtime, finally. This is the longest winter of my entire life. There's still snow on the ground. So, I'm so excited for spring. The spring box is here. Let's jump into it. Let's dig in. Let's see what the goods are. I don't know what it is, but I'm always sick. I have like the stuffiest nose. I got snot everywhere. You should see my sneezes. It's appalling. And then I always get comments like, you sound so stuffy. I know. When do I not? You know what I mean, Indy? Love you. As you guys know, I've been working with FabFitFun for almost 2 years now. They're a company that I know and love so much. So today's video is in partnership with FabFitFun. This is the spring box. How cute is she? Holy guacamole! That's so cute. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. Listen, safety first. I used to have a real knife. People get mad at me. You get this box 4 times a year. They come with full-size products, fabulous, fun, and fitness stuff. It's a hoot of a good time. Oh, she's cute. All right, let's crack-a-lack into this. Okay, this is the Show Me Your Moo Moo Bria robe. I don't know if you know this about me, but I love robes, okay? 2 Christmases in a row. You wanna know what I asked Stefan for? A robe. I love them so much. How cute is this? If I had it my way, I'd be living in a robe all day, every day. This is so stinking cute. Indy, look at my new robe. Are you jealous? I love it. Show Me Your Moo Moo is a really great brand. Actually, I wore a Show Me Your Moo Moo bridesmaid's dress in my best friend's wedding last spring. So, amazing brand. I love this. Super lightweight. And it's super cute. Next item is an item that's in every single box. This is from Dr. Brandt, which is an amazing skincare company. This is Needles No More, No More Baggage Need. This is the Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles. I'm really excited to try this. It's orange. Good morning. Look how cute she is. Show me your moo moo. Love it. Okay, I wanted to use a few of the products that we got today in the box, starting off with the Dr. Brandt Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Woo! That's a mouthful. It really is. I was definitely thrown off by the salmon color at first, but I love that it will help cover my little dark circles. So going with my ring finger, patting it out. It's very, very cooling. It feels so good, especially in the morning. Wicking up my eyes a little bit. As you pat it in, the salmon color does fade away, so no orange eyes for us. This is honestly like the most perfect lightweight robe. Ooh. Ooh, you know in the summer when you get out of the shower and it's so stinking hot, how perfect will this be? Come on. And then my under eyes don't feel sticky at all. So it feels like it's set in really fast. My under eyes do feel nice and cold and rejuvenated. Awakened. So love this. I'll probably actually start incorporating it into my morning skincare. You combat dark circles with the peachy salmony color. But a full-size product? Come on. We love skincare around here. I'm really excited for this next item. Listen, Linda. The next item is from Whey, which is an amazing, phenomenal hair care brand. This is a leave-in conditioner, and let me tell you something. I already have this, so you know it's really good. I can't make this stuff up. Look, I already have one. So, got my backup, or I can share it with a friend, but when you love something, you know, why let it go? I know it's shocking. I did wash my hair. Who is she, honestly? So, I am going to go in with the Whey leave-in conditioner. This is my own bottle. I'm gonna save the one from FabFitFun for when this guy runs out, which may be a very long time since I never washed my hair. After the shower, I did towel dry my hair, and then I have let it sit for quite a bit. So I really like to air dry my hair for the most part. Sometimes the bottom takes too long to dry, so sometimes I'll take a blow dryer at the end, and right before that I will go in with the leave-in conditioner. I like to use a pretty generous amount. It's very lightweight and it smells So good. I focused most of the product on the ends of my hair and I'll kind of work that in. So I'm just gonna go in with a wet brush and gently brush out the bottoms before I go in and blow dry a little bit. I stopped using leave-in conditioner for a really long time until I actually picked this guy up. So I love it. It works amazing. I love that you get the full-size product in your box. Like, what? Is it our birthday? I feel like it leaves my hair so smooth after I blow dry as well. Ooh. Ooh. Tangle-free. Yes, I really need to stop. I used to hate leave-in conditioners because I always felt like they left my hair very heavy. And then when I gave this a try, I fell in love. I don't wash my hair often, you know, no surprise there. But when I do, I'll wash my hair, get out of the shower, let it air dry a little tiny bit, and then go in with this. It has an amazing spray on it. It mists your hair super evenly, and I love it. Whey is a really bomb high-end hair care brand, so I'm so excited. Moving right along here. We get sunglasses. Not just any sunglasses. These are from Key Australia, which is an amazing brand. I already own so many pairs of sunnies by them because they're phenomenal. All right, this is a $60 pair of sunglasses. This is in the style Vivian Black Smoke. This is me driving. You also get a case with it to protect your glasses. I love Key Australia. I've never had any association with them, but I've purchased so many pairs of their sunnies and they're good, I'm not gonna lie. See, I like these ones because I can see you, but you can't see me. Where am I looking right now? Do you have any idea? You'll never know. You'll never know. Super excited with these. I'm actually just gonna go pop them in my car right now so I can have them with me. Somebody asked me what my biggest pet peeve is one time and I told them it's driving into the sun. I have the most sensitive eyeballs, so we love a reusable water bottle. So this is one of the items, same thing with the sunglasses, that you can kind of pick and choose. They do let you customize your box, which is awesome. You had the choice of getting a makeup item or a necklace. I chose the water bottle. And with the sunglasses, you had 3 other things that you could choose from. So love that you get choices. This is the Sip by Swell, insulated to keep your drinks hot and cold. Super excited about this. You guys know how much I love my reusable water bottle. Plastic water bottles? Never heard of her. Okay, we don't support those. Sip in style while reducing single-use plastic consumption. I might give this to Stefan because he thinks that he can steal my Hydro Flask whenever he comes over, and that's unacceptable. Something else is in there and I just chopped that. How much water does this hold? 15 ounces. Hand wash only, gals. Super excited about this. Sip by Swell. Look at this angel. Look at her. This is the 11 by Venus jump rope. If you know anything about me, I love a good jump rope. Right, Navy? You want to see my jump rope? Oh, both of you do. Okay. Back in the day when I used to film these videos, Navy would sit on the back and I would torture him. You know, anything I would get, I would make him look at. Okay, it's blue and you all know how I feel about blue. Well, it's kind of bluey purple. It's an in-between. I actually used to incorporate jump roping in almost every single workout when I was trying to lose weight and I really wanted to keep my heart rate up during a weight training session. As soon as I would finish a set, I would jump rope for like 30 seconds to a minute. I also love to warm up with the jump rope. What I love about this one is that it's gonna be super easy to adjust to your own height. Just push this through. And then pull the other side through. It's also not a speed jump rope, which I appreciate. Have you guys tried a speed jump rope when the little rope is so tiny that when it hits you, it makes you bleed? Not for me. Super excited about that. We're just busting through this video right now. Honestly, y'all, if you don't want a jump rope, you could have got a full size of the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. That's my favorite cleanser in the entire world. All right, this is the Monaco Champagne Charcoal Scrub. I love a scrub. You know what I love scrubs for? Scrubbing off my self-tan. Me trying to get off my self-tan, it's just like, it's a nightmare. Oh, that smells good. I love to use a product like this at the end of my shower. I'll scrub my body raw and then I'll lather up outside of the shower. So I did have a chance to use the Champagne Charcoal Scrub earlier this week to scrub off my self-tan. Now this is a very hydrating scrub, so I noticed after the shower my skin still felt so moisturized. So I actually decided not to self-tan that night. This did a great job of exfoliating my skin, helping get off my self-tan, and then the next day when I did didn't have that hydrating residue on, I did go in with my self tanner. When I self tan, I like my skin to have absolutely nothing on it, no residue. I'll hydrate the dry areas of my skin, but because of that hydrating residue, I had to wait another day. I have pretty sensitive skin, and usually exfoliators, they hurt me, okay? They hurt you, girl. So I like that the exfoliants in this are super, super small and gentle, yet they did the job, girl. They got that self tanner off and left me super hydrated. And it smells really dang good. And last, but certainly not least, this is the Levito body lotion in mandarin, orange, and bergamot. Yum. This deliciously scented citrus body lotion is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types. Now, I've never heard of this brand, but anything citrus is a scent for me. Going with the body lotion in mandarin orange and bergamot, I actually really like this for in the mornings. So it's not as hydrating, and in the evenings I go in with my super thick moisturizer, and I found that I really love this. Super smooth, super relaxing. I actually love the scent, very citrusy, yet spa-like. You know what I'm saying, girl? When I'm self-tan, I make sure to hydrate super, super well, and as you can see, my body's still darker than my face. I really like it. A little goes a long way with that product. In the evenings, I definitely need a super thick, rich moisturizer, but I do think this is the perfect option for in the morning to kind of top off on top of that super rich moisturizer. No dryness here. I also love that this body moisturizer sinks in really quickly, but I still feel very hydrated. But have you guys ever tried to put on clothes with lotion on? A disaster. So I need something during the daytime, and especially in the morning, that will sink in super quickly, and then when I put my clothes on, I'm not dying. Fam, I don't know if you're ready for this fact. The total value of today's box is anywhere from $230 to $314 depending on selection. Star. If you're interested in trying out FabFitFun, I do have a coupon code that you guys can use. The code is FITWIT. I do not make a cent off of that code. It is not a commission code, but it is there to save you, girl, some cash money, honey. Also, FabFitFun might have accidentally sent me another box. Do you know what that means? It means that it's time for another giveaway. I totally want to give away this extra FabFitFun box that I received. All you have to do, leave a comment below, let me know why it's a beautiful day to be alive, and definitely make sure that you give me a way to reach you, whether that's your Instagram handle, your email, whatever. I'm going to leave all details about the FabFitFun box down below. Don't forget about my code FITWIT. FabFitFun is such an amazing way to try out some new brands. It's such a bang for your buck. I can get all these products. How do they do it? I'll never know. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and never forget to subscribe so you never miss a fit tip with Wit again. It's time for me to hit the gym with my new jump rope and my water bottle. Or should I give the water bottle to stuff in? I can't decide. We love you so much. Thank you so much for being here, and until next time, we will see you next time. You guys don't have to look away from the camera. You don't have to act like I'm putting you out, you know?